You're putting harpic in my mouth. Panisa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long time we are back with another video challenge, which is blindfold video challenge. So in this basically we both will select 5 items from the kitchen and we have to taste it by tying some cloth to our eyes, and we have to guess the ingredient with its taste. We both have selected 5 items from kitchen which we don't know what the other person has chosen. So let's start. Who shall go first?
First I will guess.
You will guess. Okay, so chashma kar.
I need my spectacles.
Why? You have to taste with them. How much is this?
11.
This?
1.
Okay. Okay, so your first ingredient.
Sesame seeds.
Yes, correct.
Yes, I won.
Second ingredient. What is it?
You're putting harpic in my mouth.
You have tasted harpic?
Yes.
Gee.
It tastes like this only. I think this is some vinegar chili mix. Chili vinegar something.
Yes, correct. Okay, so the third ingredient.
I know this taste. Methi seeds.
Not seed.
Methi.
Methi what?
Methi water.
Methi what?
Uh,
What is it, methi? It is
Methi
made
powder.
of methi powder. Okay, so till now you have guessed all the 3 correct. So this is the 4th one. Coriander leaves.
Yes.
So easy, you have picked.
Okay, next.
Curry leaves.
What? Then now this is the hardest one.
Okay. These were not difficult at all.
Yes.
fourth one, capsicum? No. Beans?
Now you can take your thing out.
Beans, sir?
No,
What was it? What did you make me eat?
you ate a potato.
Raw potato.
Raw potato.
Okay, so it's tight. You also guessed 4, I also guessed 4. Okay, last one more ingredient for the tie-breaking. For the
For the tiebreaker.
for the tie-breaker.
गजब बेइज्जती है
Tie-breaker round. ये कितना है?
1.
Okay, so last.
This is not edible thing. This is
It
plastic.
is edible, not plastic. You lose.
No, wait. You can guess. This is not eatable.
It is.
This is a cover of something.
Okay, we don't eat it, but we put it in the food while preparing food.
Spoon.
No, for the taste, just for the taste, we put it in the food, but we don't eat it.
Oh, really?
Correct. So now,
I guess I won.
no, now I have to guess. If I guess, then again it will be tied, or else you will be the winner.
We have the last ingredient now. Like it, no? Very nice.
It is some oil, cooking oil.
Which oil? Which cooking oil? This is a turkey one.
Which oils do we have at home? Tell the names of the oils that we have at home.
No.
Tell me no.
No. Why?
Olive oil,
No.
sesame oil,
No.
gingery oil.
No. Sesame and gingery oil is same.
Which oil we have at home? We have
From-
sunflower oil,
No.
coconut oil,
No, no, no.
groundnut oil.
No, 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 no,
What other oils are there? Sarson ka tel.
no. I think there have been enough chances now.
No other oils are at home. Only sunflower oil
Enough
and
chances have been given.
sesame oil are there at home.
Enough chances have been given. Now it's done. I won, you lost.
First time you have one.
Remove your blindfold.
Which oil is it?
This is soybean oil.
Do we have that at home?
Yeah, that is why it is here, no?
I forgot. Okay, first time in the channel, Yagnesh has won. Congratulations.
Nothing, give me that blindfold. I wanted to do this.
मजा आया
Okay, so this is the new look of the winner, Akshay Kumar from what movie? Mohara. Correct?
Gunda.
Mohara. Gunda.
Mohara. What is Mohara?
Mohara movie, in that only.
Not Mohara.
So did you enjoy this?
Yeah. Very, very much enjoyed. Super, बिल्कुल.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक
You tell this, like, share and subscribe. You are very famous in my channel, so
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का
Please share, like and subscribe to shrigouricreations.
okay then. Bye bye. See you in the next video.